So it's raining outside. You can tell it's windy because my thing about are moving as crazy. My window screen. So I can't open the window because the rain would come in. Look how powerful that wind is. Whoa! That thing is so... I was watching TV and that car turned into here. That's a cop car. Yeah, that was a cop car. I was watching TV. I was eating a snack. And, well, my window curtain, well, that was lightning. But my window curtain was like this thing. I mean, this thing, it flew all the way over here. I mean, that was... And as it did, one of my grape jelly fell on my shirt, so I had to change my shirt. I know it's not supposed to be by a window, but that's